The gang culture came about in the late 70s with the Edward Seaga JLP government and the Michael Manley PNP government. Almost all politicians from the 70s to the 2000s used gangs and dons to help in elections. Since then, gangs and dons have become a major problem in Jamaican society. The Andrew Holness government seems to be the only leadership that hasn't relied on gangs and dons. Gangs have always used extortion and political ties to fund themselves. However, with political funding drying up, they have turned to more dangerous methods like mass murder, extortion, contract killings, and robberies due to the easy access to guns in Jamaica. Jamaicans have become desensitized and view gangs as an integral part of society. This needs to change. Politicians who rely on gangs for peace and security have failed and should not be in government. The security of Jamaica is the responsibility of the citizens, the government, the police, the soldiers, and security forces. The Jamaican public needs to understand this for a safer Jamaica.